Why don't you just let go and quiet down your ego? Don't complain about finance. I know your daddy wasn't a real man. Go ahead and live your dreams. To me, you're stronger than a whole team.
Hello, my gingerbread and jellybean. Welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. This is a screen recording of the t-shirt promotion that I'll be doing. I'll be showing you how I basically made the formula, the random formula, to basically select the winner for the t-shirt competition. A lot of people didn't enter. We'll have 8 persons in the competition. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and try my best to remember how to write the formula to basically select the winner for the competition in Microsoft Excel. So what we'll do, we'll get names of fruits. So this will be names of people that we have right here. So let me get this, widen this a bit. So we have apple, oranges. So these will be basically your names: oranges, strawberry, banana. How much is that? 6. So we have plum, peaches, and then we have mango. Alright, so we have that right there. So we're going to have random selection. So now I have to write the code. So I do equal index, open bracket. So basically the instruction is here how to do the array. So we do cell, as you can see, columns, column A, and these are columns and these are rows. So rows and the numbers, and then the columns and the numbers. So we go A2, and then you can basically drag this to basically copy into whatever you want it to copy into. So we're going to do the manual way. Tool, A8. So you see, copied everything into it. So we basically A8, we do comma, random, BETWEEN. See the instruction there is on it, run between, and we do open bracket. We do basically cell 2, comma 8, and then we close the bracket, and then we finish up the bracket again. So as you can see the formula up here, once you do the formula up there, then you press. So as you can see the formula, guys, as you can see, so all the rows are being, all the names have been selected in the competition. So this will be your names, basically everything is selected here. The random selection, this is the code, basically the formula that I created to basically select a random winner. So once I click enter after putting in the index code, it's going to basically randomly select a winner from the category. So there is no like cheating or anything. It's very straightforward. And once you understand Microsoft Excel and writing formulas or coding, because I basically did like I did Pascal coding in high school. So I still remember all these stuff like 10 years ago. So once I go on YouTube and watch the video, I remembered how to do it. Like addition, subtraction, stuff like that. So people who understand Excel and know how to use it, then you basically be familiar with these stuff. So I'm going to press enter and it should give me a winner. Here we go. So there you go. So Plum is the first winner. So this will be somebody. So we go, Plum is the first winner. How to get a second winner? I'm going to press F9. So I'm about to press F9 now, and you see it change. Oh, why is this not changing? F9. Oh shoot. F9. Guys, F9 is changing basically the codec for this app that is being I'm recording with a screens app. So whenever I press F9, it's pausing the the video that I'm recording on. So I don't know how to change that. So basically when you press F9, it will basically select the winner for me. So this is basically pausing the video, and F9 is that's what F9 is doing for me right now. And I basically can't have that, because if I need to select the winner and show you guys, then I have to basically press F9 to basically select a new winner. So I'm gonna see if I can change the setting for the recording device. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, so I'm back. I haven't fixed the issue, but what I will do, I will go ahead and start the competition. So give me a round of applause, drum roll. So I'm going to be selecting the winner right now for the competition. As you can see, the formula is still there. I took out the N code out of it, so I can basically select the winner. So what I'll do, I'll select the first winner, and then I'll take out the code, and then I will basically write it in again, because I can't click the F9 to basically switch over the winner, and I just want to do it on camera so everybody can see that I've done this in a fair manner. So these are the 8 competitors in the competition. So this is Natalie, 3320. We have Shanti, we have Empress, we have Cindy, we have Melva, Balkaran, and Terry Sledge, and we have Dan Sanders. So basically, this is an all-female list, if I'm correct. And yeah, I'm just going to select 2 winners from there. The competition is long overdue. Going to select the winners today and upload this video. You guys probably will watch it, and I'll notify you for the persons that win. So drum roll, I'm going to write the code in 2, 3, 1. Then I press enter. Terry is the first winner for the competition. Congrats. So we have 1 winner so far. Terry is the winner for the first t-shirt. So let me write that down. Congrats, Terry. You'll be getting a t-shirt. I know you always support. So I'll change the code. As you can see, there's only 7 persons in the competition. So I'm going to put 7 persons. Alright, so I'm going to basically finish the code right there. Boom. Ready again. On the second time, asking who will be the second winner. Terry is the first winner. There we go, enter. Dan Sanders, congrats. Dot Sanders, congrats. You won the competition. You won the competition for the second person. Alright, so thank you guys for entering the competition. I got both winners for the competition, and I'm going to basically contact you guys and basically send out your t-shirt right away. So thanks for watching JVLOGS. Thanks for supporting me. Remember to get your t-shirts at www.teespring.com//that/you pick. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for all the love. I appreciate each and every one of you. So thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed these videos just like I did. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.